Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 no signal issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open quick settings panel and turn on and off flight mode. It will fix your problem, but if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and after that enter your lock screen password here. Now go back to settings and here scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps, and after that scroll down and here click on SIM toolkit. Now go to its storage and clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit.